Hello everybody, welcome to Transit Learning Physics videos. Today we'll be discussing about practice problems related to SUVAT or kinematic equations for body moving horizontally. So let's see what all questions we'll be covering in this video. The first question. A bike acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after their start. You can see here a bike and it acquires the velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. So that means the time is given as 10 seconds and it acquires the velocity of 36 km per hour just after their start. So this velocity, which is 36 km per hour, is an initial velocity or the final velocity. How are we going to judge that? Now, body starts from rest, then u is 0, and here in the question it is given that a bike acquires a velocity of 36 km per hour in 10 seconds just after their start. So that means the initial velocity is 0 and this velocity is the final velocity. We need to calculate the acceleration of the bike. So first of all, we will write down what is given and what needs to be found. Initial velocity u is equals to 0 as I've discussed here. Then the final velocity is 36 km per hour and the time is 10 seconds and we need to find the acceleration. So before proceeding further, we have to take into consideration the units. Here the time is given in seconds and here the velocity is given in kilometer per hour. So first of all, we need to do the required conversion. We will be converting this 36 km per hour into meter per second. Now there are two ways of doing that. One is a longer method, second is a shorter method. So first I'll discuss the longer method with you. For that, we should know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 1 hour will be equals to 60 into 60 seconds. So now if I have to convert, I will write this value 36 here, and instead of kilometer I will write the values in meter. That is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter here, and instead of hour I will write in seconds. That is 1 hour is equals to 60 into 60 seconds. So on solving this, we will get the value as 10 meter per second. So this is the final velocity in meter per second. But if you want to do just a shorter method, which is a direct method, then again what we need to do is that to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we just need to multiply it by 5/18. So on solving this, it will come out to be 10 meter per second. So whichever way you follow, the answer will be same. This one is a longer route, whereas the second one is a shorter route. It's just a direct way of converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. So now as we have the final velocity in meter per second, we just need to substitute this value in the appropriate SUVAT equation. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you there is a common mistake that students does. Like here I have written moves with uniform acceleration, then a is equals to 0. It is not uniform acceleration, it is uniform velocity, that when acceleration is 0. Uniform velocity means that when initial and final velocity is, in that case the acceleration is 0, not with uniform acceleration. But in this case the initial and the final velocities are different, so we will not take this point into consideration. So here, which of the SUVAT equation or kinematic equations we should use? For that we have to see what is given. U is given, V is given, and time is given. So distance is not given. As these two SUVAT equations require the value of distance, so we will not consider these two because there is no value of distance given in the question. So we will be using this equation to find acceleration. That is V is equals to u plus at. V is 10 meter per second, u is 0, acceleration we need to find, and the time is 10 seconds. So acceleration will be 10 meter per second upon 10 seconds. So on solving this, we will get the value as 1 meter per second square. This is the required answer. Part 1 ends here. You can watch the second part to view other questions in this video.